Welcome back. Okay, what we're going to do is make a cylinder. This is our second level of detail. Sorry, not a cylinder, a sphere. I'm being stupid. Just eight segments for it. There we go, and I'm going to flip it over. Just 90 degrees, like that. And bring it up. Okay, it's going to go about here. Move along a bit. Convert to edible poly. Isolate. And make sure we've got grid turned off. Okay, first things first. I'll bring this in. Like so. Completely flatten it like this. Trying to get this as accurate as I can. And this part here is going to go up. Okay. And drop into perspective and see how that looks. Not bad. Okay, now what I need to do first of all is kind of work out where the bottom is and the sides are and all that kind of business. So front zoom, let's trim off these parts because they're utterly useless to us. Next I'm going to get rid of this bit just for the moment. I'll get it back again soon. Now I need to do a bridge from here to here. Same again here. Now what I want to do is go straight down through the middle and do a connect. Go and do a bridge from here to here. Here to here. And turn it around and just keep on going. There we go. Right, so we have our initial shape. And what I'm going to do over here then is just need to look at this, work out how I'm going to close off the bottom. Whilst the 3D Palace cat slowly eats the entire room by the looks of things. Okay, what I can do is go from here to here and bridge. And here to here. Wait for autosave to turn off. There we go. Okay, didn't quite understand what you were doing there, did you? Let's do it again. There, and that leaves this piece in the bottom, which we can cap. Okay. And let's move this proto neck back. Just adjust that. Okay, I'm back into here again. Now we should have some nice flat surfaces there. It certainly looks like we have. So what I'm going to do now is just isolate this part off by deleting the other half. It means I've got to rebuild that piece underneath soon, but you know, we'll live. And I'm going to bring this out just a tiny bit. There we are. And I think probably here to here. Target weld. There we go. going to come up with a kind of workable shape for the bottom half of the head at the moment. So I didn't want to move that piece there, so let's have a look again. Yeah, that's fine. Could be a lot worse. I think I'll just do a cut straight along here and that should fix everything. Okay, not bad. I can probably go one stage further and just get rid of this polygon too. And then just target weld here to here. There we go, that should do it. And now I can just move this in. This needs to be target welded urgently. There we go. There. And that part is more or less repaired. Okay, let's stick on symmetry again. Now that I've done this minor repair work, I want to collapse it down. Do a quick Control A. Just weld everything shut. There we go. Now I've got plenty of space to get to work again. Let's just bring this edge here in a bit. This isn't like the horrors of trying to avoid the uncanny valley, by the way. This is just mech modelling, you know, so don't get too worried. It's just like anything else really when you've got to do this kind of thing. It is a bit of a nuisance sometimes. Okay. We're going to build an area to go around the front. So I'm going to click here, here, here. Now, before we do that, I need to decide where the eyes on this person or creature or whatever are going to go. So I'm going to ring them, do a connect, just slide this up, and click apply. Now I'm going to bring this up, and that'll connect onto there. Now, inset by polygon, but be careful not to inset too much or it'll just fly away like that. I think it'll probably be better if I just cut through this manually myself. So a quick ring, a connect, slide it about there. Then make it a positive, and it'll go at the same place. Okay, now do some minor fix work. Just move these verts a little bit like that. There we go. Draw back into perspective and zoom. Nice. Okay, front again. And do a quick ring and a connect. Let's change the value again. Oops, got that bit wrong. This needs to be minus 82. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, drop them perspective again. And what I'm going to do now is grab these parts. Okay, now I need to extrude these by local normal. Bring them in a little, like that. Click OK. Now I'm going to delete this one and this one. Okay, that's better. Giving us a much nicer shape. Now, I'm going to grab here and here, and I'm going to inset this, not by polygon, but by group. Okay, and I'm going to extrude these in. Okay. Now let's see how straight this piece is, just by trying to build a cylinder on it. Beautiful, that's just what I need. So I'm going to build a cylinder on this. I'll just give it an inverse height. Right click, convert to editable poly. I'm just going to take this and Control I, delete the rest. Now I'm going to take this and delete this part. Now if I take this bit and go to local, what I'm going to do is just duplicate this. Make 3 copied instances. Then bring them down like this. And then down again. And then I just need to work on this first one here, which I shall use a bevel on. Just a tiny little bevel. There we go. Bring them back like so. Next I'm going to select all of them and convert to. Then I'm going to attach them to this head. Then it's just a case of interactive bridging them together. It shouldn't take too long really. But if you're an impatient type, just, fast forward and come back to this later. Or never come back to it at all, just stick it on your shelf. I won't tell. Okay. Better bridge it up to the top as well. And then I can cap this. Including this bit here. Okay, and as you can see, that works quite nicely. Now we've got several levels of detail we're going to have to add to this that will make it look better on top of what we've done already. I want these nice sharp angles though. They're kind of important to me. So at the back here, this is obviously where we're going to have our control system. So what I'm going to do is just grab this cap here, use the scale tool, just bring that in, and then up, shift, drag up. Then I'm going to scale it flat. And just bring it in just a tiny bit. There we go. And cap it. Okay, and then from this, it's just a case of being able to bring down a simple cylinder. Reduce the height on it accordingly. And the height segments, and depending on whether or not anyone's ever going to see this, is really kind of you know, what can I say? Are you going to let people see this piece, or is it just going to sit at the back and never be seen again? That's for you to decide. Ring, connect. Let's slide this down a bit. That's for me. I'm just making something very simple. Then I attach the head to it. And exit isolation mode. Okay, it's certainly starting to get somewhere with it. Let's just isolate that. Now I can just position it. And then it's ready for some levels of detail. Bring that forward a bit. There we go. So I'm just going to move it kind of back into here, and I think in the next part I'll spend some time just scale this down again. Yeah, I'm going to spend some time kind of moving the back a little bit so that it fits slightly better. There we go. So until then, see you in the next part, and bye bye for now.